Good day everyone. Welcome to Bahay Aralan. In this video, we will be learning about the different kinds of graphic organizers. Let us start this off by knowing the meaning of graphic organizers. Graphic organizers are tools used to show the relationships between ideas or concepts using diagrams and symbols. Why are graphic organizers important? They are important because 1. They are tools for organizing information. They help us present relevant information in a way that is easier to understand. Number 2. They are tools for understanding relationships between topics. They help us identify the connections between the topics, like their similarities, differences, their categories, examples, causes and effects, and more. 3. They are tools for self-learning. Graphic organizers can serve as study tools for taking notes, review, and making class reports. They can also help students understand and recall information more easily because they have fewer text or words, as they only focus on the most important points or the key information. Now, let us have the different kinds of graphic organizers. First one, the T-chart. This graphic organizer is used to compare two categories or points of comparison on a main topic, like its advantages and disadvantages, strengths and weaknesses, causes and effects, problems and solutions, and facts and opinions. Now, let us see what a T-chart looks like. As you can see, it looks like letter T. That is why it is called T-chart. Okay? So, what are you going to put here? This space here is where you put your main topic or subject. Let us say, using social media is a topic. And below it is the chart itself, with two columns in which you should write your points of comparison. Let us say you want to compare the advantages and disadvantages of using social media. So you have to put the advantages in the left column and the disadvantages in the right column. So basically, under the advantages, you will write the good or positive things about using social media. And of course, under the disadvantages, you will write the bad or negative things about using social media. Easy, right? Let us have another graphic organizer. Sequence chart. This chart shows a series of steps or events in sequential order. This is what it looks like. Of course, this space here is where you put your topic. Let us say you want to show the steps in solving word problems. And then, these boxes here are where you write the specific steps in solving word problems. Let's say the first step is identify what is asked. Then, identify the given information. Then, operation to use, number sentence, solution, and then, of course, write the answer. Okay? Let us now have the third graphic organizer, the spider web or map. This graphic organizer is used to show the specific details of a main topic or subject, like its types, specific examples, or characteristics. This is what a spider web or map looks like. As the name suggests, this graphic organizer looks like a web of a spider, right? So, the circle at the center represents the spider, and it is where you write the main topic. Let us say your main topic is continents of the world. And then, the web or the circles surrounding the main topic are where you put the specific details or specific names or examples of the continents, like Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Oceania or Australia. Okay? Let us now move on to cycle diagram. This graphic organizer shows a series of events of a cycle, how they interact, and how the cycle repeats. This is what it looks like. Let us say your topic is the life cycle of a butterfly. These boxes here are where you put the events or stages in the life cycle of a butterfly. Is it clear? Now let us have the Venn diagram. A Venn diagram is used to show the similarities and differences between two or more items. This is what it looks like. And as you can see, it has two overlapping circles. On top of the circle on the left side, you can write the first item. On the right side, you can write the second item. Let's say you want to compare and contrast Earth and Mars. So the overlapping parts of the two circles are where you put their similarities. And the outer parts of the circles are where you put their differences. Clear? Another one, the tree chart or tree diagram. It is used to classify concepts or information. This is an example of a tree chart. The box here represents the trunk of a tree. It is where you put the main topic. Let's say the types of sentences. And then the boxes here represent the branches. The second level represents the subtopics. And let's say types of sentences according to structure and purpose. And then the other branches represent the specific information about the subtopics. Okay? Now let us have the timeline. A timeline is a long line that shows major events over a period of time. This is an example of a timeline. As you can see, it shows the events and their dates. And in this example, when these social media platforms were created or launched, and they are arranged in chronological order from 2002 to 2010. Is it clear? Now, let us have the last one, the story map. This graphic organizer is used to show the different elements of a story. The characters, setting, plot, or the series of events from the beginning, middle, to the end, or the exposition, rising action, falling action, and resolution. This is what it looks like. So this is where you write the title, the characters, and the setting. And then the plot, or the events in the story, from the beginning, middle, to the end. So, is everything clear? That said, that would be all for this video. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.